In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT in just 9 minutes, even if you've never used AI before. The tool we're going to use is called Magica AI. It contains ChatGPT as well as a bunch of other tools all in one roof, which makes it super simple. Most beginners think AI is some magic robot that automatically knows what you want. It's not. ChatGPT is more like an extremely smart assistant. It's not a Google search, it's a conversation with your assistant. The quality of your answer depends heavily on what you ask, how much context and details you give it, how clearly you explain the task. So if you type, give me some YouTube ideas, you're probably going to get a bunch of generic garbage, and that's not what you want. But if you give it a role, context, and a goal, you're going to get a dramatically better answer. And that's the first lesson. Create a good prompt, get better results. But let's actually build something right now. We're going to head over to our Magic AI, and we're going to go into the tool called Chat with AI. Let's choose our OpenAI model, OpenAI GPT 5.5 Pro. Now let's pretend we're starting a brand new YouTube channel, and this is where most beginners mess up. They ask vague AI questions and get bad answers. Instead, we're going to use something called role prompting. This is one of the easiest ways to instantly improve your results. So here's the prompt. You're a professional YouTube strategist who helps beginner creators grow educational YouTube channels. Help me start a YouTube channel about AI tools for beginners. My target audience is people with little to no technical experience and who want to make money online and learn AI faster. Give me 10 beginner-friendly video ideas, 5 channel name ideas, channel positioning, channel description and keywords, content pillars, and a simple posting strategy with a weekly schedule. Go. Okay, it finished thinking, and look, guys, it gave us an entire strategy. Okay, it gave us channel positioning, our target audience. Here's the 10 beginner-friendly video ideas. I tried 5 AI tools for beginners. Here's what actually saves time. Okay, let's go down to the next session where we asked for 5 channel name ideas, or it gave us AI's Made Easy, the AI Beginner Lab, simple AI skills, AI tools for everyday people, non-tech AI, all pretty good names, simple, easy to remember. Oh, and I like this. They even give us a recommended channel name, so it picked which one of those best 5 names that it thinks would be the best. Then we got our channel description, we got channel keywords, we have content pillars, guys. This is good. This is good stuff. And finally, we have our simple weekly posting strategy. On Monday, 1 long form video, 2 YouTube shorts throughout the week, and then Sunday, plan the next week's video and topics. Next, we have our 4-week content plan like I asked it for. It's telling us week 1 for the long video, and it gave us a title for the video, How to Use ChatGPT for a Complete Beginner. And then for the short, make a video about the easiest ChatGPT prompt formula. Short number 2, 1 mistake beginners make with AI. I did that for 4 weeks in a row, which is awesome. This is extremely useful if you're starting out, guys, because now you're not staring at a blank screen, like wondering where your starting point is. It gave you an entire plan. Now, remember that AI is an assistant you want to have a conversation with, right? So the best thing is to continue the conversation you already have going. So from this context, it's going to remember everything in this conversation. You can ask it, write me a script for the first video. So we're going to do that right now. And I'm going to tell it, write a script outline for a beginner-friendly video called How I Learned to Use Claude AI in 1 day. Let me get rid of that word outline, actually. The script is for a 10-minute video. So that way it knows how long I want to make it. Okay, let's click continue and see what it comes up with. This is where things get crazy, guys, because now the AI is helping us brainstorm. It's going to give us hooks, body sections, talking points, explanations, examples, and analogies. You can even tell it, put in some of your personality if you want. If you want it to be like more comedic, more funny, more punchy, you can tell it that. Say, hey, make the script more punchy, make it more comedic, make it slower and more educational if you want to do it that way. Okay, here it is. Here's your beginner-friendly 10-minute YouTube script for how I learned to use Claude AI in 1 day for your channel, AI tools for everyday people. And if you don't give it a tone, like I mentioned, it's going to just pick one for you. So it says the tone is simple, encouraging, and practical. And like I said, it's going to give you a hook, an introduction. Here's your body section. What is Claude AI? What can you use it for? Here's your 1 day learning plan. The fastest thing I learned was a simple prompt formula. Tell Claude what role you wanted to play, what tasks you want done, any background information, and what format you want the answer in. That's kind of the same thing we're doing with this ChatGPT here. Okay, guys, so we got our channel name, we got our channel idea, and we have our first video script that we can read and make the video for. Now, for a YouTube video we're making with this script, we're going to need a thumbnail image for the YouTube video, right? So that's one thing I like Magic AI for. We're going to go over here and open another tab. And in here, there's already image tools. I can create a YouTube image thumbnail for you. So we're going to go over here to all tools, go down to browse tools, and in the search here, we're going to let's type in thumbnail. I don't know if there's a thumbnail create. Oh, here it is. It already has a tool for that AI YouTube thumbnail generator. I'm going to click on that. Okay, it's got some examples of things that it created here. The important thing is you do want to have two tabs open because you don't want to try and go back and find your conversation you had to chat with AI and then go on back into this image generator tool. So I can just switch back to this other tab and I can continue this conversation we're having. I can say, give me a prompt to create a YouTube thumbnail image for this video. Okay, then we're going to take what this gives us and paste it back into the image generator. Okay, it gave us a whole paragraph here. Let's copy this text, go back into our generator tool. Okay, so here's the text it gave us, I can write a YouTube thumbnail. We're going to go over to our image generator and paste that in. And we're going to choose any style. For the style, Nano Banana 2. You can choose a different image model if you want. Okay, number of designs 4. It's already picked the aspect ratio we want. And then we click generate. And then we give it a minute. Here's our thumbnail, guys. You can click on it to maximize it. Beginner-friendly Claude in 1 day. Pretty cool. I think those are pretty good. Anyways, there you have it, guys. We just used ChatGPT to create a YouTube channel in 9 minutes. If you're interested in using this Magic AI tool, check out the link in the description. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.